Pero what's your reaction sa sinabi ng administration na hindi daw kayo isasubmit sa ICC, but if you are willing daw, magkikipag-coordinate daw sila?
I heard Mr. Marcos say that if he wants to submit himself to the ICC, we cannot do anything. Mr. Marcos, Presidente ka man, look at it, wala akong problema, insignificant rin ako dyan eh. But if you are going to recognize ICC, you're eroding the sovereignty of the country. Mas mabuti pa, wag ko nalang idama yung bayan, pack up na lang ako, tapos kung may mag-tweet na taga-ICC, bigyan ako ticket. Doon ako sa korte nila, mag-exhibition ako. Sabihin ko man lang sa ICC, sino ang taong pinatay ko, pinakauna? Anong pangalan? Saan? Anong ginamit ko? At anong rason? Tapos, sinong pangalan ng tao na pinatay ko last bago umalik ako pagka-presidente? Saan? Bakit? At anong ginamit ko?
So you're willing to face the ICC?
Ay, ko. At yung pinakagitna, nasabi mong pinatay ko, kailan ang birthday noon?
So kung walang masagot, Mayor,
Lapot si Magellan yung pinatay ko.
Pero Mayor, isang question ko, it's because of your admission that during the Quadcom hearing, sabi nila may task force na daw nagbinuo ang DOJ to investigate.
So what I said that I ordered the killings?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Tinanong mo sana sino, saan, paano, at anong araw. Kasi yung kamatayan tayo, kada patay niyan, tatanong kita kung ano ang nangyari.
Ausansyon.
O, pag-preparar ka ng, hindi kayo pwede maglay.
But on the investigation na binubuo ng DOJ?
Ang investigations, nandoon ka sa police. Huwag ka man kumuha kaya ang police man tiga-investigar. O, doon mo malaman.
did you write the book ba during the...
Wala naman doon na extrajudicial killing, care of Rudy Duterte. Trillanes, huwag mo na lang, ako gusto kong patulan. Pero alam mo talaga, hopelessly bugok. Talagang wala ka rin makuha. No use to engage a person na dreamer.
But they're saying you did a lot of biting. Personally, did you bite the hook while they were fishing?
Ano?
They're telling, they're saying that you've admitted a lot, and you were saying that they are into fishing expedition. Have you remembered a moment that you bite the hook of the Congress?
O kayo, nakikinig man kayo.
How?
Wala ma, kayo nakikinig man kayo. Was there, did I take the hook? Bait?
Yeah.
Yes, Mayor.
Saan?
When you said that, you ordered the killing.
Oh,
And also when you said that there was a...
the killing of what? Chickens ang sinabi ko doon.
Mayor,
Hindi ko man ano.